Hello and welcome into the Brain Unbox in this channel. So today we are going to unbox the Krisons multimedia speaker system. So it's a 5-in-1 system. So let's get started with this video. Today we are going to unbox the Krisons Eternity 2.1 BT with Bluetooth, USB and aux cable. This is a home theater system with 5.1 multimedia speaker. So this product is sold by Krisons Electronics System Limited, and we are going to unbox this product. So let's start. So here is our product, and we are going to cut this tape. So here is what tape I am using. So let's start. So here you can give this, and let's see, brand new product. So we are going to open this, and you can see this is a nice carton is present. So here inside one carton is also there, you can see. So someone can help this. You can see this product delivery is very good. We can see that two box, and here we can open this by using this knife, and let's see. So like this, now I can see this product. So it's very good, and 5-in-1, since we are saying 5-in-1, so here 5 multimedia speakers are there. You can see this product. As we are going to connect all those, you can see. So here all the system multimedia speakers are there. Now we are going to test this, and here the main home theater system is present, you can see. And let's start. So please, okay, this is, you can see, Krisons and USB, all those systems are present, and volume, bass, treble, all is present. So it's a nice product, and we can open this. Okay, and here you can open. The only tape is there. Let's cut it. Here one AC connector is there. So cable is there. Okay, and it. Yeah, here the product comes. It's a brand new product from Krisons, and 5-in-1 home theater system. It is good for one home system, and you are in a one room, and it is very good. Okay, here the AC connector is there, and one switch is there. You can open off, on off all those present, and here aux in, out, left, right. This is a stereo sound you can get from this system. Okay, here you can connect the connector. So here it goes, and okay, you can connect from this, and this is the antenna only for to connect some radio signal or something. You can connect directly, you can get some radio. Okay, this is a USB input, and mode, bus, all those present. Since we are going to input one USB system, okay, it's fine. Now we are going to connect one. Since we are having 5 multimedia speaker, now I am going to use only one for test only. Good product. Here it goes. This is the multimedia speaker, and that's the connector. Okay, you can connect this directly by inputting direct this. Here is the aux input, and you can see the output here, left right output, and center FS. It's for all the multimedia speaker. 1 2 3 4 5 is the output, and 1 2 this is the aux input. Input is present written here, and output is written here. So I'm going to connect in here. So the speaker, and AC port you can connect directly into your AC board. directly it is coming.
Aux input model.
Yeah, it is, you can see. It's a very good product, and some USB device. Can you please give? And with this product you can get one remote and one aux cable. It is for input from your mobile devices. Okay, here it goes, and it is the aux input. Directly you can connect in here. Okay, here it goes. You can give the positive here, negative here. After that you can connect this aux input from your mobile. After that this remote is coming, and this is a nice remote. It's very small, but it is very good. And you can give to battery, a small pencil size battery. Okay, that is good. You can play all those songs from here. And now we are connecting the aux input. Okay, here it goes. After that, one mobile device. Can you please give? So we are going to play this system. So here is the input coming, and we are on this switch. Okay, now the aux input we can get from this mobile. Okay, let's play one sound. Now the sound system is pretty good. You can see the sound. Wow, well, it is very good. Wow, nice. And multimedia speaker I am connected from here, and you can connect all those speakers. That's just for testing. I am connecting one, and pretty good, you know. And best of all systems good. Okay, nice one. So that is our today's video. So thanks for watching. Hope you all are enjoying with my video. If you like my video, hit the like button, and also considering subscribe and share with your friends.